Hello, welcome to our revision video on the topic the NDPS Act 1985. We have already discussed this topic in previous video, and here we are going to discuss this topic in the revision. So please see this video with the previous notes or on recording. All the videos are provided by the pharmacy department of VIP GIDA, and we are very thankful to GIDA, VIP GIDA, to provide all the study materials to the students, and students will also be hopeful and thankful for the faculty members and for the college that they are providing all the matters related to the study, and they are concerning all the doubts and removing all the disadvantages and all the problems of the students. So our dear student, we are going to discuss the topic the narcotic and psychotropic substance. Before discussing or before seeing this video, you can also see the video on this topic. On this topic, we I have previously uploaded, and this is the revision part. So who are who all the students who are watching the video in the first time, they are requested to please see the video uh, on this topic. See the video on this topic, which is also be provided in previously. So we are going to discuss the topic. Chapter 1 is preliminary sections, short title, extent, and commencement. The second one is definitions. The third one is power to add to or omit from the list of psychotropic substances. So first we discuss what is the title. The title is the name of any act or any provision that are given for new commencement of the rules and new regulations, for the duration of the regulations and the working of the regulations. They are given that they have a suitable title. The title is based on the viewer part of the video, on the viewer part of the act, and what are the act was want to say, that are the title, and what is the extent of the materials which are provided in the act, and the commencement are also the act, also the title related substances which are provided in the act. So here we are discussing the title. Our title is the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. What is the topic denoted? The topic is denoting that we are going to discuss on the rulings and the regulations about the narcotic drug. So, what are the narcotic drugs? Narcotic drugs are that drugs which are used for the anesthesia or different type of purpose in anesthetic, and different type of psychotropic effect. So these are called narcotic drugs. And the definitions, in the first video we have discussed the what is the main part of the act. The definitions are the main part of the act. In the definitions, we are going to discuss these some definitions which are used time to time in the act. So definitions are more important to discussing any act or to understanding any act. Power to add or omit from the list of psychotropic substances. The next one is chapter second, authorities and officers. Who are the authorities and who are the officers that are discussed in the chapter second? Central government to take measures to prevent and combating abuse of and illicit traffic in narcotic drug. Officers of central government, the narcotic drug and psychotropic substances, conservative committee officers, state government. These are discussed in chapter second. The next one is chapter second A, National Fund for Control of Drug Abuse. The seventh A, National Fund for Control of Drug Abuse, annual report of activities financed under the fund. The next one is chapter third, Prohibition, Control and Regulations. Prohibition of certain operations, prohibition of certain activities relating to property derived from offence, power of central government to permit, control and regulate. Power of control and regulate control substance. Power of state government to permit, control and regulate narcotic drug and psychotropic substances, etc. Not liable to distress or attachment. Restrictions over external dealings in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. Special provision relating to coca plant and coca leaves for use in the preparation of flavoring agent. Special provision relating to cannabis. So the next one is chapter 4, offences and penalties. All the act have some offences and avoidation of regulations and some type of penalties. Here this act is also have some penalties, punishment for contravention in relation to poppy straw. The next one is punishment for contravention in relation to coca plant and coca leaves. The last one is punishment for contravention in relation to prepared opium. Sections. There are some sections in this act. Section 18, punishment for contravention in relation to opium, poppy and opium. Section 19, punishment for embezzlement of opium by cultivator. 20, punishment for contravention in relation to cannabis plant and cannabis. The next one, section 21, punishment for contravention in relation to manufactured drug. These are some punishments that are given in the sections. So, punishment for contravention in relation to manufactured drug and preparation, and section 22, punishment for contravention in relation to psychotropic substances. The next one is punishment for illegal import into India, export from India or transshipment of narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. The next one, section 24, punishment for external dealing in narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. In contravention of section 12, punishment for external dealing in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances in contravention of section 12. The next one is punishment for allowing premises to be used for commission of an offence. Section 5025A, punishment for contravention of order made under section 9A. The next one is section 26, punishment for certain acts by licensee or his servants. Section 27, punishment for consumption of any narcotic drug or psychotropic substances. Section 27A, punishment for financing illicit traffic and harboring offenders. Section 27B. Punishment for contravention of Section 8A. 28. Punishment for attempts to commit offences. 29. Punishment for abetment and criminal conspiracy. Section 30. Preparations. So these all are the sections which we have to discuss in this NDPS Act. The next section is enhanced punishment for offences after previous conviction. The 31A, death penalty for certain offences. Some are the death penalties for certain offences. Punishment, section 32, punishment for offences for which no punishment is provided. Section 32A, no suspension, remission or commutation in any sentence awarded under this Act. 32B, factors to be taken into account for imposing higher than the minimum punishment. 33, application of section 360 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 and the Probation of Offenders Act 1958. 34, section 34, security for abstaining from commission of offences. 35, section 35, presumption of culpable mental state. Section 36, constitution of special court. 36A, offences triable by special courts. 36B, appeal and revision. 36C, application of code to proceeding before a special court. 36D, transitional provisions. 37, offences to be cognizable and non-bailable. 38, offences by companies. 39, power to court to release certain offenders on probation. Power to court publish name, place or business etc. of certain offenders. I am taking some pause in this slide so you can write down or create the screenshot of these sections. So this is the previous slide. Please note down these. All the sections or create a screenshot. So I am taking some pause or some time for you. So the 20, section 29, punishment for abandoned and criminal conspiracy. 30 is the preparation. 31 is enhanced punishment for offences after previous conviction. 31A, death penalty for certain offences, previous conviction. 32, punishment for offences for which no punishment is provided. 32A, no suspension, remission, or commutation in any sentence awarded under this Act. 32B, factors to be taken into account for imposing higher than the minimum punishment. 33, application of section 3360 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 and of the Probation of Offenders Act 1958. 34, security for abstaining from commission of offences. 35, presumption of culpable mental state. I am going to pause this slide for few minutes. Please note down the written. Please note down the content which is written in the slide, or take a screenshot. So the next slide is section 36, Constitution of Special Court. Section 36A, offences triable by Special Court. Section 36B, appeal and revision. Section 36C, application of code of proceeding before a special court. Section 36D, transitional provisions. Section 37, offences to be cognizable and non-bailable. Section 38, offences of by companies. Section 39, power of court to release certain offenders on probation. Section 40, power of court to publish names and places of businesses etc. of certain offenders. Chapter 4, Chapter 5 is procedure. 41, power to issue warrant and authorization. 42, power of entry, search, seizure and arrest without warrant or authorization. Power of entry, search, seizure and arrest without warrant or authorization. Power of seizure and arrest in public place. Section 43. The section 44 is saying about the power of entry, search, seizure and arrest in offences relating to coca plant, opium, poppy or cannabis plant. 45 procedure where seizure of good liable to confiscation not practically practicable. 46 duty of landholder to give information on illegal cultivation. So here is the pause for the video to create notes and a screenshot of the slide. I hope that you would able to write this content. And the next slide is section 47. Duty of certain officers to give information of illegal cultivation. Power of attachment of crop illegally cultivated. Power to stop and search convenience. Conditions under which search of person shall be conducted. 15A. Power to undertake controlled delivery. 51. Provision of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 to apply to warrants, arrests, search and seizures. Section 52. Disposal of person arrested and articles seized. 52A. Disposal of seized narcotic, drug and psychotropic substances. Power to invest officers of certain departments with powers of an officer in charge of a police station. 53A. Relevancy of statements under certain circumstances. 54. Presumptions from possession of illegal articles. 55. Section 55. Police to take charge of articles seized and delivered. So here I am going to taking pause. Please note down the slide or take a screenshot. उनका कुछ होता है मिनट Please note down the content. So the next one is obligation of officer to assist each other. 57. Report to arrest and seizure. 57A. Report of seizure of property of the person arrested by the notified officer. 58. Punishment for vexatious entry, search, seizure or arrest. 59. Failure of officer in duty or his convenience and the contravention of the provision of this act. 60. Liability of illicit drugs. Liability of illicit drugs, substances, plant, articles and conveniences to confiscation. Confiscation 61 is a confiscation of goods used to concealing illicit drugs or substances. 62. Confiscation of sale proceeds of illicit drugs or substances. 63. Procedure in making confiscation. 64. Power to tender immunity from prosecution. 64A. Immunity from prosecution to addict volunteers for treatment. 65 omitted. 65 has been removed from this act. And 66 presumption as to document in certain cases. 67 power to call for information. 68 information as to commission of offences. So please note down this content. So the next slide is forfeiture of the illegal acquired property. 68A application, 68B definitions, and 68C prohibition of holding and is illegal acquired property. 68D competent authority. These are some provisions. Identification illegal acquired authority. 68F seizure of freezing of illegal acquired property. 68G management of property seized for or fortified under this chapter. 68H A8H notice for forfeiture of property. 61A forfeiture of property in certain cases. 68J burden of proof. 68K fine in lieu for forfeiture. 68L for procedure in relation of certain trust property. Please note down all the content of the slide. I am going to pause this for you only. So the next section is 68M certain transfer to be null and void. 68N constitution of appellate tribunal. 68O. Appeals 68P. Notice or order not to be invalid for error in description. 68Q. Bar of jurisdiction. 68R. Competent authority and appellate tribunal to have power of civil court. 68S. Information of competent authority. 68T. Certain officers to assist administrator, competent authority and appellate tribunal. 68U. Power to take possession. 68V. Rectification of mistakes. 68W. Finding under the laws not conclusive for proceeding under this chapter. 68X. Service of notices and orders. 68Y. Punishment for acquiring property in relation to which proceedings have been taken under this chapter. 68Z. Release of property in certain cases. Please note down all the contents. The next one is 6, chapter 6, miscellaneous. 69, protection of action taken in good faith. 70, central government and state government to have regard to international convention while making rules. 71, power of government to establish center for identification, treatment, etc. of addict and for supply of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. 72, recovery of some dues to government. 73, bar of jurisdiction. 74, transitional provisions. 74A, power of central government to give directions. 75, power to delegate. 76, power of central government to make rules. 77, rules and notification to be laid before parliament. 78, power of state government to make rules. Please note down all the contents. So these all are the sections, and the next one is chapter 6, miscellaneous. 79 application and of the Custom Act 1962, 80 application of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940, not barred, 81 saving of state and special law, 82 repeal and savings, 83 power to remove difficulties. Note down this topic.